Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you everything I ate today as a vegan. These are really easy, healthy meals to make, whether you're vegan or just want to include more plant-based meals in your diet. This video is in collaboration with my favorite organic green superfood powder from Organifi, which I've been drinking first thing in the morning with alkaline water, and it has a really nice mint flavor, which I love. If you don't want to have to get your blender out, this is a really healthy and easy option for making green drinks because all you need to do is add a scoop or two of the Organifi powder to water and mix it together really well. It has a ton of superfoods like moringa, chlorella, spirulina, matcha, wheatgrass, and my personal favorite Ayurvedic herb ashwagandha, which is amazing for calming the nervous system, and it's recommended for anyone who is feeling stressed out. I will link the Organifi powder in the description box if you want to check it out. For breakfast, I made oatmeal with chia seeds and fig jam. I used old-fashioned oats, mixed in some raisins, fig jam, and chia seeds, which are a really good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and iron. I sprinkled some moringa powder on top and then drizzled some agave syrup on top as well, and poured in almond milk, and then I stirred it together really well. I personally love getting creative with oatmeal and mixing together different flavors. For lunch, I made toast with black beans and avocado and a big salad. I started by pouring the black beans into a bowl, adding a splash of lemon juice, some chili flakes, black pepper, and garlic powder, then mashing them with a fork and mixing all the spices together. Then I spread some of the beans onto the bread, adding sliced avocado, onion, and a little bit of watercress. I added some more black pepper, and that's it. Then for my salad, I chopped up spinach, cucumber, green onion, and garlic. Now I'm going to show you the 2-ingredient dressing I made by mixing together a ripe avocado and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Now I'm adding in 2 cups of chickpeas, and then I added in my dressing and mixed it all together really well. Then I also added in some sesame seeds, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you a really easy vegan dessert that I've been loving. You have to make it and leave it in the fridge for at least a few hours before it's ready to eat, so I'm going to make it before dinner. It's a vegan banana chia seed pudding and it tastes so good. So you're going to start by slicing a ripe banana into a bowl and mashing it with a fork until it's creamy, then adding in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a drizzle of agave nectar, 1 cup of almond milk, and then stir it together really well and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I made for dinner. It's a really easy veggie mild curry rice dish. I chopped up a few red potatoes, carrots, celery, red pepper, onion, and collard greens, and then I steamed them. I cooked the rice and then mixed the curry powder with a can of coconut milk, and I poured it all over the rice, and that's it. It's a really healthy, simple, and filling meal with lots of flavor. Okay, now it's time for the dessert I made earlier, and you can see how it's now a thicker pudding consistency because the chia seeds have expanded. If you can leave it for even longer than 4 hours, then that's ideal. I'm slicing a banana on top and sprinkling on some cinnamon, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe to be notified of my future uploads, and I will see you next time. Bye!